Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Destiny 2 Renegades game crashing, not launching, not loading, lagging, black screen, low FPS or other issues on PC. So let's go through the methods. But before you jump to the solutions, you are suggested to download the Destiny 2 game in order to play the Renegades game of Destiny 2. So before you jump to the game, make sure you have downloaded the Destiny 2 game on your PC and then try to play the game. Apart from this, the first solution what you need to do when you come across while playing the game is to check the system requirements of the game. So for that, go to the store option and then search for the game. After that, go below. Here you will find the minimum system requirements to play the game. So make sure you have or your PC have all the required specs, and then try to launch the game and check. If not, next method is to modify launch options. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game. Here I am showing an example. Now right click on it, click on properties. Under general, here you have to type -DX11 and then launch the game and check. If this doesn't resolve, again come back, type -DX12 and then try to launch the game and check. If this also doesn't resolve the issue, come back, delete the launch option and move to the next solution. Next method is to update your graphics card. For that, go to the Windows search. Now search for device manager. Here you have to expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will search and update your graphics drivers to the latest version. After that, try to launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already I have provided in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next solution is to delete temp files. So for that, you have to press Windows plus R and have to type temp files. And now whatever the files you are seeing over here, simply select it and right click on it and click on delete option. Now after deleting the temp files, try to play the game and check. If not, next method is to allow the game through firewall. For that, go to the Windows search over here. Now search for Windows security. Here you have to click on firewall network protection, then click on allow an app through firewall. Now click on change settings. Now after that, you have to search for the game whether it's listed or not. If not, no need to worry, click on allow another app, click on browse. Now after that, go to the game folder where your game has been installed, select the game application and add it to the list over here. Now after adding it, here you have to select the game, whatever game you have installed. Now after selecting the game, make sure both public and private boxes are ticked and then click on OK, and after that try to launch the game and check whether it's working or not. If not, next is to move the game to SSD. So if your game is not installed on SSD, so you have to move the game. For that, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings. Now go to the storage option over here and here you have to check whether your game is installed on SSD or not. If not, select the game wherever it is and select it and then click on move option. So this will move your game to the SSD and after that launch the game and check whether it's working or not. If not, next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will verify the game files. Once done, launch the game and check. If not, next is to run game as administrator. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Now after that, click on binaries, then go below and here is the game application. Right click on it, click on properties. Now click on compatibility and then select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK and launch the game. If not, come back, select run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8 or Windows 7, then click on apply and OK and launch the game. If it doesn't resolve, again come back, select disable full screen optimizations, click on apply and OK and then launch the game and check whether it's working or not. If this also doesn't resolve, come back and deselect all of these, click on apply and OK and then move to the next method. Next method is to clear download cache. For that, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings, click on downloads, go below. Now here you have to click on clear cache option beside clear download cache. So simply click on it and you will get a notification. This will clear your local download cache and restart Steam. You will need to log into Steam again. So you have to confirm it. Now after confirming it, log into Steam again and then launch the game and check whether it's working or not. If not, next method is to close unnecessary background tasks. For that, go to the Windows search for Task Manager. Now under Processes tab here, you have to search for those apps that is running in the background but is of no use. Simply select it, right click on it, click on End Task. This will completely close the app from your computer that is running in the background. Now after that, try to play the game and check. If not, next method is to update Windows. So for that, go to the Windows search over here. Now search for check for updates. This will take you to the Windows update page. Here you have to click on check for updates option, and it will check if any update is available. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version, and after that try to play the game. Next solution is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, go to Steam. Now click on Steam option. Now click on settings. Now after that, go below, click on in-game, and here you can see enable the Steam overlay while in-game option. If it is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Now after disabling it, launch the game and check. Same for GeForce Experience users. Open GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, click on general, and then switch off in-game overlay options from here. For Discord overlay, go to the user settings, game overlay tab, and switch off enable in-game overlay options, and after that launch the game and check whether it's working or not. If not, next is to install Visual C++ files. For that, I have already provided this link in the description. Just copy and paste it in a browser. Now once the website opens, go below. From here you have to download the Visual C++ files. After it is downloaded, click on it to open. You will get either repair or install option. So if you have repair option, click on repair and wait for some time. Now after you get setup successful message, close this pop-up and then restart your PC once, and then try to log into the game and check whether you can play it. If not, next method is to disable antivirus program. So if you are having any antivirus program installed on your system, you are suggested to disable it, and after that try to play the game and see whether it's working or not. If not, next method is to install DirectX. So for that, I have already provided this link in the description. Copy and paste it in your browser. After the website opens, click on the download option, and once the file is downloaded, you have to install this. After installing it, restart your system once, and after restarting again launch the game and check whether it's working or not. If not, next method is to run the game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search for graphics settings. Now here you have to add your game to the list. For that, click on add a desktop app. Now after that, go to the game folder where your game has been installed, select the game application, and after the game is added, here you have to select the game, click on the arrow icon. Now under GPU preference, you have to select high performance, and after that launch the game and check whether it's working or not. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall Destiny 2 Renegades game. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, and now click on uninstall, and finally click on uninstall option. So this will completely remove the game from your PC. After that, restart your PC once. After restarting, again launch Steam and reinstall Destiny 2 Renegades game, and then click on the play button to check whether it's launching or not. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.